Relentless.
Chalo,
Why?
don't break anything. Huh? Just quietly come. Thanks. So she went to Bangalore for 3 days and she took the toothpaste. So I could brush.
Mangalore.
I said, ma'am, you could watch the
You
show
said
again.
Bangalore.
I didn't say Bangalore.
You said
I say Bangalore and I say Bangalore.
there won't be another Valentine's Day after this. That's my point.
Gulab jamuns are basically like testicles.
And I can talk about menopause, but you're really young, so I'd be really scared.
Where?
When you order, does anything come for me?
No, but every time we order, she's saying don't order food from out.
Has anybody asked
we
me
have to do it
before?
clandestinely.
No, but yeah,
No, but
don't ask.
you're
because we have somebody who has cooked.
1 year off marriage.
Perfect, Sai. Perfect.
You're free.
Thank you.
Let's end the episode on I love you. Say I love you. And you say I love you.
Subscribe now. Subscribe to Cyrus Says. Oh my God.
Has reached 24 years of marriage and the 24th Valentine's Day together. No, actually we met before that. It's an arranged marriage. For 10 years we arranged it. So the lot, maybe 1994 to 2000, 31 years of Valentine's Day.
Are you mad?
Maybe 30, because 95 more. My memory is not good. I can't remember. But 30 years of Valentine's Days and we've spent so much on each other. I bought you so many things.
Sai, last year you lied. This year you're lying again.
One thing is there, we are married, no?
Yeah, just about.
What happened to your personality? You were screaming at Prithvi and shouting loudly, and now you got into a mouse.
Okay, come on.
Let's get the crazy Aisha out who fights with policemen, fights with people, screams at everybody. Here's your coffee. Your coffee will come in. There's a gift for you that I may have dropped. Oh no, I haven't dropped it. I spent hours. I have to open it.
Read it, what?
I have to read it.
To my beloved.
Oh, sorry. I have to read the front first. Sorry, but poor Prithvi. Young man has worked so hard and we should have paid attention to what he was saying. To my beloved wife, Aisha. And there's a picture of a body part. No, it's a heart. Hurry up, open it now.
Which is a body part.
Hurry up, open it now. Cyrus Brocha. That's my message to you. Yeah.
Now I have to put on
Now
my
we'll play the
spectacles.
appropriate
Now I
music in
really
the background as you open
feel like
this.
the finance minister.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Who stole my heart?
Yeah.
So stupid.
So sweet, no?
Oh, it's you. I forgive you because... Oh my God, who's got this?
But now it'll be a picture of Abhay sir,
No,
the
but
cameraman.
really, you brought it.
I don't know.
Huh?
Don't be mean. Don't hurt their feelings. They're young people who are romantic. They're not like us.
I know.
Just pretend. Thank you,
Got a
Prithvi.
girlfriend?
Not yet.
No, there's no proof of. There's no proof of any.
How old are you?
What the hell? This podcast is about us, not about him.
27. I'll turn
He's
this
20. He's Kaustubh's second cousin, so they are related. But Kaustubh has lots of girls in his life. Oh no, Kaustubh has one.
That's very sweet, very inappropriate.
Why is it inappropriate? When you want to remove the nose hair and all that, this is the perfect size mirror. I'm
No,
very.
Sai, when we are this blind, you need to have those magnifying mirrors. You can't see squat in this.
Okay, but I think it's a beautiful gesture on my part to put this together and give it to you. So at least say thank you to me and the guy who helped me get it, Prithvi.
Thank you.
And it costs a lot of money. These mirrors aren't cheap, by the way.
Or the card.
Are you spitting in the
No, it's
coffee?
got cream in it.
You don't like cream?
I hate.
Arey, I'll organize it. Your Valentine's Day, you're a special person. Take it, give me.
I need a
Abhi sir, just
spoon.
take the cup. We'll get it done. IVM doesn't pay us much, but we get coffee. So let's.
No, but you can't keep. I just get a like.
India is a wasteful country. This coffee will be thrown out.
No, it won't. Doesn't
Right
need
now,
to be
as I
thrown
speak,
out.
there are 7 children without breakfast in this area.
Okay, Sai, shall we get on with
But in the meantime, we'll waste the coffee and get you a
Okay,
new
listen.
cup. Huh. Is there something you want to say?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. So she bought a new outfit just for this show, guys.
No, this was from the sale.
Oh, right. So a new outfit from a sale just for the show. Very sweet. And my wife has just come
You
back from...
actually noticed it's a new outfit. It's not.
Of course.
Yeah.
The only one who wears this kind of thing is Prithvi. I know. I'm sorry. Okay, she's just come back from Bangalore, which is not Bangalore, it's with an M. And where she took part in a beautiful triathlon. Tell everybody about your triathlon because that includes running, swimming and cycling. And the running and swimming happened, but the cycling stopped because the governor was touring. So the whole competition
No,
was...
I just heard
Huh.
our esteemed Prime Minister talking about Uttarakhand becoming the sports capital. But I don't know how they're going to do sport in India when you have governors moving around.
Well, Uttarakhand organized a lot of swimming in this season because of the big festival that's going on there. So, I mean, everything is possible. Be positive, not negative. But we are here to discuss.
We have a segment
Love.
for you both.
Oh, so now Prithvi will also be part of this conversation, but he doesn't trust
Well,
me
he
or
brought
you.
the card. So
He didn't buy the card. I bought the card. Prithvi, where did I buy the card from?
Car.
Car. Which shop exactly?
Prince Stationery.
Prince Stationery. I know Prince personally.
Yeah.
Listen, it's all about the effort. Don't think about the mirror.
He made the effort.
What did you
Sai.
buy me for Valentine's Day? Illa. Nothing.
It isn't Valentine's Day yet.
That doesn't matter. We're pretending, no? This whole IVM is a fraud, yeah? We're just pretending about everything. This is girls nuts.
Let's begin.
Let's begin.
Present is
I'll just
coming.
explain. So, Prithvi is going to do the first part as producer. He's the only one concerned about this marriage and he wants to promote it. So, let him go ahead and do that and be nice to him. Because I
Okay.
bully him a lot.
No, I'm
But we
being
don't cross the
very
line
nice
where
to
we
you. I'm not
push him
being
around.
bad.
We just bully him, yeah.
I'm not
Go.
even bullying you.
You've been very mean. He's shaking.
What shit?
He was out of breath. He keeps picking up balloons for no reason. Who does that? 28-year-old.
Prithvi.
Brocha Janta Party, we have 5 segments for you and few questions in that. So let's begin. Here we go with Cyrus Brocha and Aisha Brocha. First segment. Which was the generous moment shared in the last 6 months together? Options are 3, which you mutually can agree on.
Don't give me options. I've got lots to talk about. What's the options?
What?
Top 3.
What?
Generous moment.
Generous
He's
moment.
Yeah.
written the answer also. This is what I have.
What is a generous moment? But
Pucho mat. Just listen. Otherwise, the show won't end. Yeah, go on.
Celebrating Aisha's win at Ironman Goa and receiving a Scott Sports bicycle as a gift. Second, watching Fabulous Lives of Bollywood together.
That was long time back, huh?
Third, attending Vijay 69 screening with Anupam Kher, realizing
that
that
was very sweet.
Yeah.
we both are aging.
And then she will.
And
the
how
outfit
little
is-
Cyrus knows about anything sporty that I do, because he had no idea what the movie was about and kept interrupting and saying, "Is that what you do? Is that what you do?" And the movie is a
Well, as I
little.
told Anupam ji,
It's-
it had the number 69, so I thought it was an erotic film. I got a little confused, but then it was more about an old man on a cycle, which is my life actually.
Which is my life, old lady on a cycle.
Yeah. But
Thank you, Scott.
Can I talk about generous? The Scott thing is true. Thanks
I'll-
to your cousin Kostov and Aisha's brilliance on the bike, we got this bike. So
Yeah,
we all,
no, the bike is
Yeah.
ace.
Yeah. In fact, the bike
Scott,
should be here for
everybody
Valentine's
yeah,
Day.
I'm Scott
You and the bike
addicted.
should be together, not me.
Yeah,
That's
okay,
a love.
okay,
That's a
now.
proper relationship.
So out of 3,
Enough.
which is the...
Can I now? These are beautiful questions.
Sir,
and they
you haven't
touch me,
stopped talking
But I'd like to
after
take it
these
further
3.
because you mentioned generosity. So she went to Bangalore for 3 days and she took the toothpaste. So I could brush.
Mangalore.
I said, ma'am, you could watch the
You
show
said
again. I
Bangalore.
didn't say Bangalore.
You said-
I say Bangalore and I say Bangalore just to irritate people in Karnataka. I've been doing this for a long time.
Of course, I took the toothpaste in my bathroom.
Why do you take the toothpaste? So for 3 days I couldn't brush my teeth. Why take the toothpaste? You can get toothpaste there. So I just want to say, so much for generous. I never do that. I never take anything from the sink or whatever. I leave everything there.
But you leave everything in the sink,
That's
on the
okay.
pot, in the
Indian maid.
in the bed.
I have to do something.
You know.
Yeah.
Cyrus will improve this year.
Oh,
I think Prithvi's not interested in our real life. He wants his questions and only his questions. Bolo, next question. With the 3 options.
Which is
Kaun
your...
banega crore Valentine?
Okay, sir, 2 minutes. Be quiet.
Why?
It's, really,
It's a podcast. If
I
I'm
know,
quiet,
but-
no one will be watching. You can't be quiet on a podcast. You have to be quiet while you're sleeping. This is a podcast. You have to keep talking. How do I handle this
voice
woman?
is-
You've been married 3 times. Give me some positive feedback. Sorry.
Which
go on.
is your mutual favorite song from the below options and why? First, What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. Second,
Middle
Ajeeb
figure.
Dasta Hai Ye
Wait,
by
the Hindi
Lata
songs will really
Mangeshkar.
get to you.
What is the second song?
Ajeeb Dasta Hai Ye by Lata Mangeshkar.
Your
And,
favorite singer? And?
and
you
third
heard
is
this song?
Sajni Re from Lapata
Oh, I
Ladies.
love that movie. Say
Huh?
Say the-
Lapata.
Lapta
Yeah.
ladies, Lapta,
So
Lapta.
answer the question. Others,
Anyway, Cyrus cried during the movie.
I had my periods.
No, he cried. He
I
cried.
was in pain, yaar.
Having not watched it, interviewed Kiran Rao, didn't know what to say to her about Lapta ladies, then he cried.
Yeah, I told her I liked the film later. A bit
It was
late.
superb.
She's never coming back, but yeah.
Okay.
So answer the question. Which song do you like?
Mutually, you
I like
both
Sajni
agree on.
Re.
We don't
So
like
sweet.
we don't like any songs.
No, I like that.
I'm
Yeah,
very,
we
I'm a
don't
very
we don't
intensely
share the
passionate
same
person when it comes to
same
music.
and Cyrus doesn't let me
Aisha
listen
likes
to my
music
kind of
without any,
music. So when I'm
connection.
driving, I listen to my music, which is EDM.
So Sajni Re for you and for you out of the first 2.
Well, I'll have to go
I
with
thought it
Wonderful
was what
World.
we both liked
but
together.
But
I
what
thought
we
your
don't like
question-
any music together unless there's
Yeah.
there's one song we like. It's called a Radiohead song called "I'm a Creep." That song we both
I
like
don't
together.
like it. No, sorry.
Then Beatles, "I'm a Loser."
I
Love
hate
that song.
the Beatles.
Yeah. So there are songs that we
Hate.
like. You know. I want to ask you. Do you like the question so far?
So far, so good. Keep going. Keep
No hate coming. Third segment.
But he's done some research. He knows that we watched this show together and we went to Vijay 69. So he's remembered all this. That takes a little bit of hard work.
Yeah.
I feel bad for him. Could have been a scientist, wasting his time with this kind of data.
Third
go ahead.
segment. Not so rapidly. Let's kick things off. Trip down memory lane. Answer these
I
quickly.
can't remember Monday.
quickly, truthfully, without saying anything, just point out to each other. I'll read the questions.
You first read, okay.
Yeah.
I thought it's a game where you just have to do this. It's like Korean parliament.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say.
Who said I
heart
love
is
you
falling.
first?
Who said what?
I love you first.
Have we ever said that?
No, you have said. You say it
You
occasionally.
don't
when
talk,
you
just
soften.
point.
You say I love you, and then you say pick up the towel. You say the same things. I'm not.
You want to point to me or?
I don't have two lovely dogs, so
I'm not
I say a lot of
pointing
I
to
love you
you
to
or
Peter
to
and
me.
Mary.
I'm
I
not
love you, Peter. I
pointing,
love you,
it's not-
Mary. What?
I'm not pointing.
Just point. I mean, anywhere. Just have one of those
Okay, next
classical
question.
young Arjun Rampal on a hoarding. Something
Second
like
question. Who initiated the first kiss?
that. Tongue, me.
Sai, you have not initiated anything in your life.
Okay. I guess I was alone.
It
Or
must
maybe
have
it was
been me.
Peter. I don't know. Answer the question. Did you initiate the first kiss? I can't remember.
I mean, I can't remember, but
we're
I could
married
just-
24 years. We were dating for 10 before that. I mean, it's like India's history. Do you remember exactly what happened in 47? Everything we don't
And
remember.
who
Big things we
cares
remember.
now after all of these
No, we
years?
care about 47. Huh? Be careful. Huh?
What is 47?
It's when India became
Oh,
independent.
that. I thought.
Sweet.
Sorry. It's
Who
not-
proposed the marriage first?
First means what? It's like a committee sitting around. Fucking what the hell you? What? Something. I
I
wanted to
don't
know.
think
Are you
anybody
too mature
proposed,
or
I
very
think
immature? I can't
after
understand this question.
you've dated for a few years, then you sort of put a gun
Aisha
to the
said-
person's
Aisha
head
said,
and said,
if
now
you
or
don't
never.
marry me, I'm going back to-
moving on.
She
you
said,
know.
if you don't marry me, I'm going back to America.
And Cyrus, since he lived with his mother and continues to live with his mother, had
No. I was driving the car, window was open, so I didn't hear the second part. So I just married her. I mean, I knew she was going back to America. I mean, obviously there was an option.
I came back from America.
You
Cyrus.
came back for me. and
Because
then-
guess what you said?
What did I say?
I was happy to stay there.
I know.
Then-
Now don't take me back and make me feel bad. Yeah, I've ruined two lives.
Who's?
Yours and mine.
Okay.
You could have stayed in America. I could have continued to be a young bachelor in my
I think
70s.
I don't want to be in America as
Yeah.
America is today.
My heart is falling all the time, by the way.
Pin it back up. Okay.
I may need surgery. Huh. Bolo,
Next segment.
Yeah.
Would you rather
I like
never
this
argue?
boy.
You like this boy? Isn't he very virginal in his innocence? It's almost like we've got a 12-year-old breath of fresh air who's got no evil in him yet, no malice.
Yeah, I know.
And it's so sad that one day he'll change. But right now he's a very nice, sheepish, sweet, bhola bala, good boy.
Taming the evilness. Cyrus.
And one day he'll be a member of
Okay,
parliament.
pause.
Rajya Sabha.
Pause between.
My paws are here.
Would you rather never argue again or never hear Cyrus talk again?
I think the latter now after this.
1 minute. What do we never
Done.
argue?
It's answered. Move to the next
What do you
question.
never argue? If you don't argue, how you remain married? You have to argue. There's no other way to stay married, no? I mean, we argue about everything.
I'm sorry. That's not my household when I...
But the thing is that you're much louder off camera. So they're not seeing your real personality.
I don't want to show
know,
my
the
real
aggression.
personality. Isn't
Yeah.
that what social
Yeah.
media is?
No, you have
fake
to
it.
reveal yourself.
I'm
Stop faking
kind,
it.
sweet, gentle. Come. Next question.
Yeah.
Would you rather give up Netflix or be forced to watch your wedding video every day?
We don't have a wedding video.
We did, but now
We had?
VHS is gone. We are really
Who
old.
did a wedding video?
There was something
We
somewhere.
actually had a video.
I mean, where have we ever seen it? But I think there was
I
one.
can't even remember the wedding.
remember
What is the
quite
option?
vividly.
Give up Netflix.
Yeah. Bollywood wives give up.
Bollywood is not the
That's
only thing we
not-
watch,
I
bro.
mean,
But-
in general, all kind
But
of shows.
I think Cyrus's addiction to his phone is definitely going to be the end of my marriage.
There's a girl that I talk to all the time.
It's not a girl. Oh my God,
It's a
Kaustubh,
boy.
what is on your leg?
Okay, don't get distracted. Just
No, he is
Oh.
addicted to the phone. It's I've told Kaustubh about my problems.
cost
You
of is 29.
I know, but this phone, Cyrus, the phone.
Okay, but what's your point?
There won't be another Valentine's Day after this. That's my point.
I
So
hope
no,
not.
no Netflix, Petflix,
To
and
be
all
honest,
of that.
no
They
producer has lasted more than one Valentine's. So every Valentine, that turnover is different. And all you guys are very enthusiastic. And I think the
Yeah.
Valentine's Day is one of the reasons why you leave. And we never see you again.
I think so.
And Sparsh has never touched a girl after that. Priti, I'm just giving the record. The statistics are not good. All the producers, they've gone into hiding, joined ashrams.
Sai, they were
One is a
young
revolutionary
and
in Cuba. So I'm just warning you, Prithvi. Prithvi is a rapper. Prithvi, will you rap? I love rap for her. He's a decent rapper. He's actually a good rapper, but he doesn't like to do it.
The show's about him or the show's about us?
But the way he's written the questions and forced us to, answer his answers, I mean, that's too much. Really.
Okay, come on, next.
Even Einstein was flexible. Go on.
He's being flexible.
Last
a little bit.
segment.
Last segment! Chicken. Go on.
Marriage Survivor segment. Okay.
No, we are from the pre-internet
That's true.
generation. We survived quite
That's true.
well. This internet is all bloody hype.
The only button I'm comfortable with is the fan. For
I
pressing.
thought AC.
AC we use the thing, no? It
It's
also
also
came
a
later.
button.
It's not exactly a button.
Okay.
It's a remote, no, Aisha?
Got your answer.
No. Why are you arguing with me about details? I'm a lawyer's son. Grandfather was a lawyer. Great-grandfather were lawyers. What are you? You're an artist. What do artists know about life? Artists are idiots. I don't know a single artist who's not an idiot. Do you know an artist who's not an idiot?
Answering
Okay.
that.
Prithvi, you're also an artist. Carry on.
But I'm not an idiot.
You will be by the end of 59 minutes.
Who's winning the where is the key race when you are running late?
Where's the key? Chavi.
We have separate cars, so we don't. It doesn't matter.
Is
where
it for
his
the car
key
or the house?
Any which way.
Because I lock the door when I enter. For the house, I latch it. And
Where
that
is the
irritates her.
key? You have to open it,
To
you
open
fool.
it. To open it.
No,
See,
so
this
where-
question is asked by a 28-year-old boy who lives
I
in
know,
Mulund. His life is very different from yours, so don't
Yeah.
be mean. He's
Yeah.
trying his best to show empathy
So I'm
to an
saying.
old couple with white hair and fading knees. He's doing what he can. So he thinks this is what we do. We forget the key and we look at each other. Oh, bacho, kaisa ghusega andar? And then we run slowly, hobbling away, and then we try to open the door.
That's not what we do.
This is what he
Anyway.
thinks is romance.
So-
now, one day I want him to spend 24
If the
hours in
key is
Hotel
in my bag, I
Skylar
go
to
and
see what
find the
real
key.
romance is.
I find my key and it has no impact on Cyrus's life. And if he can scream and shout if he can't.
One
find
second,
his
Mikey is my nephew. Mikey Brzezinski. Michael, but that's the pet name. Americans, they shorten it. And
Okay.
Punjabis. Punjabi Americans do the same thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
That's it. And now you guys can
All
share.
this fanfare for this intelligent
the
conversation.
segment is done.
Oh, okay. So, if you have anything to say about love, romance, and this.
Not a whole
Firstly, the
mix, eh?
repetition of you coming here, how has it drained you? You be
Yeah.
honest. You can
No,
be
kicking
negative.
and screaming. I absolutely don't want to be here. That's it.
But is that because you're against romance and love? Because there are younger people watching and then they get the wrong impression of why is she always angry.
No, I'm
and
petrified of saying anything because I can see all those dirty messages coming.
But let it be, na? People are bored. They have to write something.
Well, my suggestion to them is please just turn your
Okay,
phone
for
off
the
if you
sake of
can't
just
bear it.
getting-
Because I will not be watching this. So if you can't watch it, then just turn it off.
I want to ask you one very intelligent question because this whole thing is rubbish otherwise.
Yeah.
If we were in Calcutta, would it be Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day?
Why would we be in Calcutta?
That's her answer. You see, no sense of comedy. There's no point even exchanging anything. Her answer is something, this is what I live with.
Okay.
Okay, there are people watching and they take it seriously. And especially when you're young, some older people as well are very romantic. So say something romantic about this whole Valentine's Day. We never really did anything. I can't remember.
I decided asking us about stupid things, but they should be talking to us about. I can give marriage advice.
Yeah, let's go.
Before you give marriage advice, I would like to say something. On Valentine's
And
Day,
I can talk about menopause, but you're really young, so I'd be really scared.
No, but audience is open to have the
okay.
fruitful
Marriage
conversation.
advice?
Marriage advice.
Yeah,
How to
marriage
survive a
advice.
marriage quickly, but don't make it very long.
Okay, my mind's gone blank now suddenly.
Then why do you set it up like you're going to say something great? Your marriage advice is your mind is gone. Your mind is really gone blank.
No, because I'm thinking, what kind of marriage advice would I give to a 27-year-old?
It's not about age.
Audience is about 25
Yeah.
They're above 25.
till 45.
Between 25 and 26 is our audience. 6-7 months gap. That's the whole audience.
Okay,
But-
those are the good years.
Yeah. No, but like for example, I've told them before that if they use for the males, if they use for the conventional male-female marriage, not for all the genders, if they use yes, please, and sorry, you should be okay at all times. Between these three words, you can even if you say the wrong word, you just repeat the next word for
Who
whatever
says
happens.
to whom?
The male, if he wants to get out of jail free, just use yes, please, sorry. It's
Okay, and
perfect.
the woman is the one who
I can't speak
needs
for
the
women.
yes, please, and
I
sorry
can't speak
said
for
to
women.
her.
So you go ahead. So you say it. Yeah. Give your
No,
marriage
I-
advice.
Well, I certainly think people like you, Cyrus, can benefit from listening instead of talking so
Aisha,
much.
24 years, my 1 year is not working now. Listening to you all day.
You're listening
Do
to
the maths.
yourself. I don't get
I speak to myself because I'm lonely. I'm just sad and lonely and I have no one to talk to, so I speak to myself.
Really?
But now give some advice to women, no? How to survive men or whatever. We're using all the wrong words. How to handle marriage. Survive means a negative thing. Let's not use survive.
Firstly,
We have survived 24 years. We sound like hypocrites.
first find a man who can cook.
What?
Yeah.
I can't even do toast.
Exactly.
Why
That's
you
why
telling
you
marry a guy and then you go for the
off
antithesis
the
of the guy.
bat, made the
Why do you
wrong,
want a guy who can cook?
wrong decision.
What about Praveen?
What about
Praveen's
picking up
family
your
will starve.
plate?
Praveen's
What
our cook.
about, from last year to this year, certain bathroom hygiene that is only going
That's been going
downhill.
on for 24 years.
I know, Sai, but it's about time you changed. You know.
But now you're making it very personal. What about general? How do they survive? Not survive.
no,
How do
I
they
mean
make it
all,
better?
all of these things count.
What about
no,
communication, holding hands,
No,
going for
no.
movies?
You have to. These are
spending
the
time together.
these are the things that are critical for a marriage survival. So you please check all of these things before you engage,
Okay.
male and female.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Spitting in the bathroom, spitting on the, when you're doing
Spitting
kulli.
in the bathroom?
No, when you're doing kulli like you do,
Like-
it's on. Yeah, it's on the tap.
it's on the tap means the spit is on the tap.
Toothpaste
On the null.
is. Yeah.
The toothpaste is on the null.
Yeah.
Do you use it or do you waste it? We saw you wasted the coffee, so just be honest.
It's got cream.
We used to first use the same, still got cream?
It came
We
back.
used to use the same toothpaste when we were in
No,
love. And the
toothpaste.
toothbrush. Same toothbrush.
Shut up.
You didn't have any
Never,
problem.
ever. Oh
We-
my God.
When we
don't be
exchange saliva and use the same.
disgusting.
And now though I've been, this India, Pakistan, no, it's beyond Pakistan. It's like India.
Please.
And
If you ever use my toothbrush, I would have thrown
I'm
it
like
away.
Serbia. I'm very far from India now. I'm very far. Everything is kept aside. It's like the untouchability factor is unbelievable. It's all over the.
No, I mean, is it any wonder, Sai?
The towel. Why do you hate my towel so much? You keep saying it smells of urine. How can that happen? How can a towel smell of urine? I mean, really,
you
guys?
tell me.
I don't know. I don't pee in my towel.
TMI.
It's not TMI. You want to be honest. You have to tell them these bad things.
Okay, Sai, let's
Okay, Abhay sir is walking around like a
yeah,
nutcase
no,
in the
let's,
middle. So.
let's get on with this.
Yeah.
This is a bit.
But that was beautiful. That was opening up nicely and helping us, or young people in marriages, also young people in romances. And also mention the fact that living together is a whole different challenge from just dating, which people don't understand. Because they jump from dating to living together without a proper practice
they-
period of months. I
I
would say
think
months.
they jump from dating to getting married
Yeah, too fast.
too fast.
Yeah, you need to spend time together because
I
our
don't
daily
think that
habits
happens.
are.
I don't think that happens anymore. No, nowadays people are living together more
Prithvi,
than
we have
that.
arranged the marriage for Prithvi. He's not met Shefali. He'll meet her after the Suhagrat. 2 days later.
Well, good luck to Shefali.
You haven't seen Shefali, Baba. Me and Kaustubh chose. Aisha, this is for you, a yellow balloon. It signifies in Japan love for eternity.
Put it down,
I'll
sir.
say it in Japanese. Hokana shimo ingoda. Aisha.
On down.
She doesn't like balloons. So
Yeah,
what
no,
is
I
it?
don't like balloons.
Okay.
You guys will have food now?
Yeah, we'll
Of
have
course,
food
what
now.
are you getting
So
us?
now we're going to have our date here, right? So we're going to have
What
our
I
date.
asked for, my favorite food,
Poha.
which Cyrus is going to share.
Yeah. And he's got his chicken
It's
tikka
an
and
egg- it's an
chicken
egg-
kebabs.
Gee.
Once again, it's an air-conditioned room. No poha here. This
Well,
is my...
I was asked, what would you like to eat?
Bro, this is my ilaka. You can't come here and bring your food. Not
Of course I
allowed.
can.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. From Amazon Music presents India Pod Day 2025 in association with IVM Podcast, we bring you a special episode of Cyrus Says with Cyrus Brocha, who is joined by the Internet Said So gang. Also, Puneet Pania and a surprise guest for a laughter-packed ride. From bizarre internet facts to comedy and food, it has it all. One of the longest-running personal finance podcasts, Paisa Vaisa with Anupam Gupta, just crossed its 500th episode. On this very special episode, we have Swaroop Mohanty, Vice Chairman and CEO of Mirai Assets India, talk about the future of mutual funds. On the compounding mindset, Ashton explores the power of experimenting vision and creativity and how they can transform your finance for good. Folks, if you like our show, spread the word. Tell your friends and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on our social media. We are at IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube channel by their show name, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week: IDFC First Bank, Axis Mutual Fund, SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, IndusInd Bank, HDFC Bank.
Come on, fine.
There's no way I can eat that. I can't eat that.
Why?
I can't physically eat it.
But give it a try.
I went to a girl's house when I was young and they forced me to eat this
Bullshit.
and I fainted, I
I've listened to
vomited.
your crap for
and
years.
I was hospitalized for 3 days. I can't do it again. You-
Now buy all of that. Fine. Come on.
I can't. I'm just gonna have a bite of this and then I'm gonna pack it for later. And the gulab jamuns after.
It's delicious.
Did we ask for gulab jamun?
I can't eat too much. What kind of poha is this, by the way?
It's probably yesterday's.
No, it doesn't. Actually, took up my glass.
Using glasses to look at the poha.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't look like poha. I talked to. What it is?
What do you think it was?
I thought it might be made out of something else.
No. At IVM, we cut standards definitely, but there's a limit. Poha is correct. This meat is odd though. I mean, there was a cat that I haven't seen for.
Well, why didn't you eat the poha?
Please stop saying that. The grounds for divorce.
I'm eating. No grounds for divorce is
We don't have. I have food habits of something that's completely different. Real pain.
What? I can eat anything anywhere. I have no problem.
She can eat cold curry. She takes it out of the fridge. Man. Cold curry and cold rice.
Anybody who's lived alone will eat.
How many Indian food cold?
Will eat any food cold.
You've got a cold heart. So it all works for you. You don't feel it. Me, if the food's not hot, I can't eat it. Even
You
in
just stand there and say, I'm hungry.
I
Then
eat cold
that's
food. And then if I chew loudly, she gets angry like this. One so-called honeymoon in the Louvre in France, I was chewing gum loudly and she screamed at me and abused me and I left for India.
You're breathing too loud.
China says that to me. If I have a cold, she says, don't sniffle or.
I'm a hypersensitive to sound. Okay? If there's any sound, you know how it is. I react very fast. So what happens is she coughs and it just wakes me up. I'm like, I'm with a gun in my hand ready to shoot someone. I'm like, what the hell happened?
Yeah, but I have a
Cough sounds are very
Instead of
dangerous.
getting me a glass of water or getting me the medicine.
Never give someone with a cough water. Please understand the science behind that. It's stupid.
Are
You already got a bad throat,
Are
you're putting
you a
water in it.
scientist?
I'm an amateur.
You're not a
scientist.
scientist.
I'm an amateur.
So don't talk rubbish.
My first biopic was called Khasi and Back. It's a geographical term though. Hey, Kashi. Eat your gulab, this is in joke. Eat your gulab jamun.
I mean,
You will?
why not?
She trained so hard, she can get away with a little bit of all
No,
this.
eaten a lot.
Normally, Prithvi, this also shows your lack of experience with elderly women, older women.
It's okay, elderly.
Which is, you don't offer them sweets because they're very touchy time. Then most women would say no.
No.
Or
Please.
they will, on camera for sure, they'll say no because it looks bad.
What a base
So,
virus. Don't talk
I'm
crap.
teaching you as a expert on the ladies.
On the baby.
May I close up, please?
Man, now you're an expert. You're a scientist. You're a.
Hey, you're just one of those villainous people who heckle. You sit there like in parliament, you're on the opposition, you're just, whatever the guy says, you just heckle it. The guy says the sky is blue, you just start abusing from there.
Okay, so everybody is watching us eat, which is kind of.
Everyone's not watching, there are other things to watch.
Well, why don't you guys also eat?
We don't eat to the hell.
Oh, sad.
Arey, Sanjay Kapoor, what is this? Chicken?
Oh my
Nahin, no.
god, I think this whole thing is going to go sliding down. There's something stuck to it.
Just,
So don't do that!
that's all. 24 years.
It'll fall. You want half?
The thing that falls is my ego. And I can't bring it back.
Okay.
Aisha.
Okay, well, people
I feel this eating segment is overrated. Because all we're doing is eating. Are you playing the relevant music in the background?
Yeah.
Hey, fatty boom boom. Sweet sugar lump.
Eat fit, I think.
Huh?
Eat fit.
What's Eat Fit?
The thick brand.
It's some.
No, that's tastes like a normal gulab jamun. What you say? Some very fit one.
One second. Guys, 1 second. Prithvi has ordered a gulab jamun with lots of sugar from Eat Fit. मेरे को मार डालो चप्पल से.
No, but it
Please, I want that.
If you know
I want
that jamun is there's something.
The
very,
brand's name is Eat Fit.
And they give me gulab jamun.
yeah, but it doesn't taste right
My heart didn't go.
because it's
My heart fell.
very fit. It doesn't have the right
Hey, look, look.
rigidity.
You're holding my heart.
The heart fell down.
Okay, fine. I'm done with breakfast.
अरे जयराम कुछ खिला दो ना.
Who's Jairam?
That's my name for the canteen guy who doesn't exist. It's fictitious. I'm very frustrated and angry with my life. You have no idea what it's like to live with you. Rules, then the cantonment. Dogs aren't allowed in the bed. Keep the lights on in the night. Then your good friend Kunal Vijayakar comes, also open
Nobody's
curtains.
listening to you.
Leave all the switches on because his pop's not paying for electricity.
I wanted to eat the gulab jamun, but there's something odd about it. So get fit or be fit. Or
Sometimes when they're cutting,
Gulab jamun also. And yes, I doesn't want to.
No, it's not that. Gulab jamuns have to have a certain sort of solidity.
gulab jamuns are basically like testicles. Now you have to figure out
soaked in water
what
for
age
too
it is.
many days. Maybe
Eat
that's
fit.
it. Eat fit, but it's
Eat
become
fit?
so fit that it's
Gulab jamun, mishti doi.
watery. You know that? Whose is this?
Aisha, you're putting me to
Famous
sleep.
Calcutta Potter.
Who?
The lady who makes this.
I thought Harry. famous?
Harry Potter. And audience.
It's okay, Aisha.
Stupid.
You have not been in the audience for 24 years.
Jana, see?
I say beautiful things and she just walks by saying, pick up the towel.
Oh. Alright, come on, finish her.
We're not finished. I want water. I don't want to take brand names. Can I have fired pork? 1 glass of fired लोक ये समझ में नहीं आते गालू मुलुन में नहीं होता ये सब मुलुन में नहीं है ये फाइट पोक what is this Mulan attitude is giving me crossover to civilization what can we do we are older in India
Can I also have one?
Balloon se laya sir.
और thank you beta
One more. Are you?
What shall we share?
मिल गया
They'll share. Love and share.
We'll try. I'll spit in it.
Lock him out he's destroying the marriage lock him out come
Yes.
So, okay, we share toothbrushes, we share Coke.
where
No, I mean, since you said.
yeah then start sharing because I don't have a problem sharing you don't let show me touching the soap everything why did you become like this so untouchable about
24
sharing?
years? It's 24 years.
Other women don't mind all the
Go share with them.
girls in IVM keep saying wink wink let's brush
Brush. I'm glad that's what you do when you come here for your podcast.
well see Prithvi is looking after you he made sure there's
So on
glasses
behalf of all the girls, nobody does that.
she's not even here all the time she doesn't know what's going on I'm just being honest people,
No, but I speak to the girls who are here.
they won't tell the truth about that
They-
they won't be about an old man takes them to the bathroom for brushing I mean it sounds wrong chairs and tables as you say in Parsi weddings chairs and tables yes. समझो दिख रहा समझो
Okay, are we done with this segment?
no now
Sir, they can only hear you chewing. On that mic, that's too close.
I'm trying to be as amplified as possible.
No spillage. That's a record.
Hmm?
No spillage. That's a record.
Spillage has happened. Oh. But in the pant.
Okay. I don't find this funny at all.
No, what happens is when you reach 50, your pee, your mind pee and your actual pee are different. So your mind says the pee is over and you've left.
And then you wonder why your towel is
And
smelling.
your body says, "Bencho, 2-3 बूंद है उसमें," and tick, tick, it goes off. So now,
Try, you have a young audience. I thought.
no, not young. By relatively young, like 51.
They haven't got there yet, sir.
No, but they need to know what's happening. Prithvi doesn't know what his life's going to be in 20 years. Okay, now we've got the AMAs. I'll explain to Aisha, because she's never watched our podcast. You know what the AMAs are, huh?
Yeah, you done it last time.
Ask me anything. So these are from our regular listeners, our Discord fans, if you want to call them that, okay? They've been very nice. They're for us, it's like a charity. For them, rather.
Push that mic away from you. It's making me claustrophobic.
Better now? Huh? Nice. This is what I look like if I grow a beard. Huh? Check it out.
This is how you behave.
Yeah. Okay. Aisha, let's touch legs. 24 years. Okay. Arpit Bansal, very intelligent boy from Delhi, suffering his own marriage, second year. AMA for Aisha. If you had to design a podcast show for Cyrus, but only to trouble him, what would it be? To irritate me, what podcast show would you design?
I would call you to a podcast and then not show up.
That's not even funny. That's stupid. What he's looking for is what would
It
drive me.
Yeah, he's saying drive
Like
me
an
nuts.
EDM podcast or Poha podcast, something with things that I don't like that.
Well, we'll
That's
just
what he's
have
looking for. Intelligent answer.
A silent podcast.
Silent
When
podcast.
nobody else shows up. And Cyrus will be sitting there, I need to go, I need to. That kind
That's
of
also
thing.
true.
Yeah.
I
So
have a
then
patience issue. One sec, Banerjee wants to speak. My other. You're also a wife. Come on, you speak.
Yeah. No, he's the authority of
Would you like to
Cyrus.
give Arpit a more intelligent answer or that's
No,
it?
that's
Silent
it,
podcast.
Cyrus. I mean-
brilliant from a humor point of view. Arpit, I hope you're happy and don't leave us. Gone. Okay. Josephine and the Flying Machine from America. AMA for Cyrus. What is the raw, unfiltered truth about marriage, and why isn't it banned in 193 countries yet? So she's a little cynical about marriage. She tells us quite openly about her issues. I don't know how true they
What
are.
are her issues?
No, the normal things like the husband picked up the children. They live in the US without telling her one day. Took them to Kentucky Fried Chicken, one of these fast food thingies, and then came home and said, "No, we've eaten dinner." And she had cooked dinner for everyone, and they had not even brought her anything. So these are
So, I mean, that happens in my house every single day.
where.
When you order, does anything come for me?
No, but every time we order, she's saying, "Don't order food from out."
Has anybody asked
so we
me
have to do it
before?
clandestinely.
No, but Yeah,
No, but
don't
you're
because
against-
because we have somebody who has cooked.
No, but you're against ordering from out. You keep saying don't order, don't
That's
order.
because food is cooked.
So then why should we get it for you? Because we have to escape you, no?
But the food is cooked for you. You don't realize that,
But
or what?
why would we get outside food for you when you're against it? Understand the concept. We're quietly eating on the side and not getting it for you.
But you shouldn't have got the food in the first
Hey,
place.
poor Josephine seems like a nice person. It's a
No,
different
I think
story
I
altogether.
understand Josephine's problem totally. That
Paris in the background is coughing away. Huh? There's no respect for the show. Just thinks nothing's happening. Imagine if we were in Operation Theatre, the guy's dying and she's like, "Ugh, I'll have a cough now." It's ridiculous, man. All right, we have more to do. Sorry. Under my thigh is the truth. Josephine, I hope you like that answer. But she's a little cynical about marriage as a
I
concept.
feel for Josephine.
No, do you feel that marriage is outdated? We have so many marriages collapsing, people are unhappy, blah, 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 blah.
I think we've gotten past that stage.
It's not
you
us
know.
personally always, it's about general.
I don't care about the rest of the world. Let them do whatever they're doing.
I care about other people's marriages more than my own.
Okay, good for you.
193 countries waiting to ban marriage.
Okay.
All right.
Good luck to everybody.
And also child marriage. Wrong. Okay. Buddy Soap says AMA for Aisha and Cyrus.
Buddy soap.
Okay. Talk to the parents. I didn't name them.
Discord, guys.
What?
The
They have a
name.
username.
Oh, okay, buddy
It's
soap.
like she's 18.
My
now.
username is Scott Addicted.
Scott addicted.
Yeah.
Don't you so much bow to Scott?
Yeah.
Scott paisa api? What is this nonsense?
Okay.
Buddy Soap says AMA for Aisha. When can we see you both doing either painting, weightlifting, or participating in a triathlon
I'm at
together?
the gym. Come any morning. It's
Together. Listen to the question. He's
But
not
I
even your
come.
husband.
I come and I try, and then you come and interfere. It's together.
I don't like repeating myself. I have a bit of a fascist issue with that.
But I-
so when I
I'm-
tell her something, then I have to say it a second time, I lose it.
But I'm in the gym. I mean,
But
of
why
the
don't we
three-
do painting together? I'm also quite talented. With my sketches aren't bad. I showed you my sketches of various animals, and they were all nice. When we were younger, you liked them. My elephant was very famous. I can sketch and show them also one day.
Shall I show you the picture that I did of you yesterday?
No, I don't think that would be close to the elephant anyway. Let's not go there.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. Participating in a triathlon, impossible. I have fast twitch fibers. I'm too bored. I can't run for long.
Shit.
Or cycle. Cycling should be done by people delivering things, I feel. There's no point otherwise. Why are you on a cycle? And as for running, I mean, from Anil Ambani downwards, I just feel that it's vulgar. You have all these fancy cars and all that, and you just run, and poor people watch you run, thinking, "Bencho, agar mere paas paisa tha, who do this rubbish?" So I feel all this is wrong. This is my personal belief. And weightlifting, no, weightlifting is not exactly what we do. We do a bit of powerlifting, a bit of bodybuilding.
I know, but then
Weightlifting is an
when
Olympic
I ask
sport.
you to pick up anything in the house, do you
Who
oblige?
picked up Maya and brought her home?
That's not the picking up. I'm talking about stuff that you like leave lying around. You know, things that don't weigh very much that you can pick up, and like your plate in the kitchen.
How can I pick up my own phlegm?
With the tissue, with your hand. I don't know. Pick it
Okay.
up.
Buddy Soap, thank you for that. As you know, so do we do anything together? We don't do anything together, no? This sporty. Is there
Sporty?
any sport we both like? We played TT in the past.
I've beaten you.
You've never beaten me.
I've beaten you.
Yeah, okay, you've
I've
beaten me.
beaten you.
You've beaten me.
I have.
Aisha, don't talk rubbish. You
No,
can't.
you
beat
don't
me.
talk rubbish.
From chess
I challenge you
to
to a
carom
match.
to coco
Oh, shut
to
up.
chocho
Oh,
to 50
oh.
meter sprint.
Oh,
Any
what
short
the-
sprint, swimming, running.
Sai, don't
Don't even put me on a cycle. I'll beat you for a short sprint.
come.
So don't start that.
But I don't do short.
Yeah, so long distance
We'll
for
do
bored
endurance.
idiots who have nothing to do.
It doesn't matter.
Cycling.
It doesn't matter. You want to engage in a sport, and
Don't challenge your husband.
I'm challenging
I'll
you.
beat you in every
I
sport.
I have beaten you at table tennis.
Baddie, tennis, anything you
I
want to
have
play.
beaten you at table tennis.
You have never beat me at table tennis.
And I will beat you at any other sport that we are on a court.
You're behaving like a Gurgaon boy.
No, but I
Don't
will.
be a bully.
I will.
Yeah? Is
I've
it-
played all of these. You haven't.
My
Maybe squash,
God.
you might beat me, but you know that's because
It's
you play
squash. Come to the north.
Okay.
You don't understand language.
No, I'm better than you as a
It's
sports
all
person.
rubbish. Okay, fine. 24 years, you're better than me in everything.
I am.
Really,
I
really.
am.
Fantastic. Great. Yeah. Football?
I don't like football.
So that's your reason we are not better. Okay. Good to
No, I
know.
haven't played
'Cause You're
it.
such a genius because you don't like it. Okay, get
I haven't played it. Any other sport that I have
I've
played,
challenged you to a sprint at the gym so many times. I said, we'll do 30, 40 meters and you want
I
to see.
don't sprint.
You won't even be in the frame.
I-
I'll finish, I'll shave, and I'll leave. And
But I
then you'll
don't
come.
sprint. You want to challenge me? You challenge me.
How can I do long distance?
Oh, I'm challenging you
I'm
to
out
a
of
long
breath doing
range.
this show.
So
Prithvi
then,
fainted.
So
This is not our thing. We are
that's
males.
not your thing, but it's my
We are
thing.
males. The male lion
okay,
can run for about 30, 40 yards, then he's out of breath. Then he takes the whole day off. And I'm a Leo. Lions Club Matunga, Jai. Okay. Necrophiliac, but without the philiac. AMA for Aisha. What is the one habit or behavior of Cyrus that you liked and enjoyed? Ha ha! No answer coming. In the early years of your marriage and wished
Yeah,
it
I
stayed with
saw
him
that.
forever.
No, the early years were not the good years.
any habit that you would have liked me to retain, which I don't have anymore? I used to say good morning.
Like,
He doesn't get any humor.
On
Man.
that
I don't know.
one-
Get me a Scott bike, I'll go the other direction. That's
One-
all I can think of, man.
no, let's not go back to those years.
Now see,
Best
last
forgotten.
year, we spent 40 minutes asking you to give some tarif, some praise, some...
I have thought of that 1 year later. I
Okay,
have
chalo.
thought
1 year
of-
later, answer that. It's similar. It's similar.
See, now
Yeah.
that there's a lot of, consumerism and, this whole sustainability thing and, fast fashion, retail, the one person who is the most sustainable person on the planet is Cyrus, because he wears the same filthy
I have only
clothes.
one thing to say.
But I mean, full respect, because the shoes are the same. It's a hand-me-down pair of shoes, which are now, I think, holding together by 2 threads.
Okay, I have just one thing to ask you.
Okay.
It's a slightly personal
No, I'm
thing.
saying something nice, so listen
No,
to
I'm
it.
listening. You carry on.
Same pair of shorts, same chaddi, the same t-shirt.
Chaddi is optional.
The
You're
glass.
saying chaddi because
no,
you guys
the
are
glasses
watching.
get broken. The glasses,
Glasses
we've
break.
had.
But Himisha and gang, thanks for sending me glasses. I have got
many,
sponsors.
and please, IVM, do not send more books to our house. Nobody is reading them. And the people who send electronic things, fans, cost of no more fans. Our friend doesn't know. He doesn't know
Barney
how to
sent the
fix
year,
it.
The year hai.
You sent it in
I give it back
August.
to you. I give,
You sent
Malaika
it
shoot
in
you kept it after
August.
that, yeah.
It was used now in February. So, it just
Not only
lay
did
there.
we use it, we out Malaika'd it, remember? Because her fan was smaller.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, it's a big
Yeah, I
deal.
know, but now will that fan survive after the first usage? No, probably not.
Okay.
It's probably broken.
Okay, so
like the
sustainability,
same.
let's
Huh.
stay with the praise. So same clothes, same this and that.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you haven't met my father, not my real father, but the father for me, the guy who's guided me through all this. His name is Tejas. He is so filthy that the municipality has asked
I'm
him
not talking about filth. I'm
to
just
stay
talking
in Navi
about
Mumbai for the rest of Mumbai
Why?
and then
Who is
Mumbai for the
this
rest of Navi
Tejas?
Mumbai. It's like that. He can't be in the same place.
Who is this?
You don't want to meet him.
No, I don't.
You'll think of me like Ritik Roshan or one of these,
Tejas
fancy
is one
guys.
of your colleagues, is it?
Don't use the word colleague. We don't know what he does. He just wanders around.
No,
He's here.
mine was a compliment,
Show a
Cyrus.
picture of Tejas in the same green shirt.
I don't want to
please.
see Tejas.
Tejas doesn't want to see Tejas.
Okay.
It's that bad.
I mean, that's almost how I feel about you in the same shorts.
But
But
couldn't you stay with the praise?
I was trying to. You spoiled
And what is
it.
wrong with wearing the same shorts? I only wear it when I leave the house and I take it off when I come in.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. I'm full respect for you to wear the same shorts, but get them washed periodically.
But
That's the only,
Shouldn't the wife help with the washing?
No, why should the wife help with the washing? Do you wash my bloody underwear? No.
I told you no underwear policy. You're the one who's pursuing all this. Country will save so much money. We just cancel underwear as a concept.
I
What do
don't
you
know.
mean underwear?
This
What does underwear really do? If you just scratch because of underwear.
hold you up.
No, at my age, won't hold up anything. There's nothing to hold. It's all good. So, guys, remove your underwear.
I want
On
to know.
15 after Valentine's Day, 15 February is going to be a no chaddi day. All right, guys, be with me on the no chaddi day. Take up your chaddi, wear it on your head and walk around screaming, Prithvi ki jai. Because you have brought us together on this ridiculous nightmare.
Yeah. Are we done?
No. Are we done?
No. More 10 minutes.
More 10 minutes.
What do you want me to do with this?
He's a marriage coach.
Give a subscribe call out on this camera.
What do you mean?
Subscribe to Cyrus Says.
My God,
Oh,
he's shouting
subscribe
at me.
to Cyrus Says. Subscribe now. Subscribe to Cyrus Says. Oh my God.
If you don't subscribe, I'll kill Cyrus.
See, everyone's not a born comedian. Okay? But humor him because I think he's getting violent.
See, with this
Trying
kind
all
of
comedy.
I'm really sorry, but with this kind of show, I hope you have nobody listening, subscribing.
She doesn't like me many parts of the times of the day and all that, but I don't think she'll kill me. That's not right. Because she
I'm
knows.
glad you think that.
I don't think it can be yet. The kids still need me and all that, so you wouldn't do that.
I don't
Maybe
think
later.
the kids need you at all.
I can't think of us living alone in Alibag 10 years from now. That would be scary. And then there's no electricity, no neighbors to hear the screaming.
You.
And she'll kill me by poha. 4 poha dishes.
Yeah.
I'm trapped. I can't move. I'm suffocating.
Yeah, that's my revenge. I'm waiting for that day to come. I'm really waiting for the day to come.
And you get your henchman,
No,
Kunal.
Praveen.
Kunal will be there.
No.
Kunal will be there.
Yeah, because Kunal.
I'm sure I'm killing him. One second, it's fine,
Kunal
it's
and I love our poha. Our friend doesn't know how to cook. He can't find his way to the shop because he's geographically and GPSly challenged. So we will be making poha at home, and
How
then
quickly you went from
you can-
praising my
you can
sustainability
eat or not.
to finding every
Sir, you
fault
will-
in the book. It
As,
took what? Few
as
seconds,
I
you know?
as I have said the last year and the year before, you will suddenly discover what you have missed all these years. Not eating idlis, not eating poha, not eating upma. And you'll say, oh, I wish I'd eaten it.
Aisha, I think something is desperately wrong in our marriage. And I don't have the budget to go to a counselor.
No, forget
So
it.
I'm
We're
suggesting
here instead.
1 year off.
From
Discount.
this.
1 year off marriage.
Perfect, Sai. Perfect.
You're free.
Thank you. Chalo.
She's in
Valentine's.
love. Guys, she's in love. नहीं चाहिए वो proposal नहीं चाहिए. Reject किया हुआ है जो.
Valentine's Day gift given.
Okay.
One last AMA from Prithvi.
Yeah, Prithvi. By the way, Prithvi is the guy who caused the Valentine's Day to happen. This
Prithvi,
show.
good luck to you.
Yeah. What piece of advice would you give to Mikhail and Maya?
Okay, it's
Considering
Mikhail. Can you
Mikhail
put two A's so guys like you from Mulund
Sorry,
will say
sorry,
his name
Mikhail.
properly?
Sorry,
Okay.
Mikhail.
No, it's not
What
him you say
piece of
sorry to.
advice
Say
should
sorry
we
to
give
my
them
mind.
about?
She put the second A saying Indians can't say
About
Mikhail, they'll say
marriage.
Mikhail
Love
all the
in general,
time.
or
Love.
marriage or any relationship.
So I've
advice.
told Maya, I hope you never marry a man like Cyrus. Okay, that is it's a constant.
Maya's
I say it
personality is
every
spitting
day.
image of mine. She's already irritated about everything in
So
life.
can you imagine if she marries a man like Cyrus? Oh my God, it's an absolute disaster.
What about Mikhail? Mikhail. Huh. What was your advice to your son?
Come home and live with your
So,
mother.
Mikhail, come home, live with your mother, favorite child, and my poor daughter. You can't marry anyone, stay in the corner. The way you treat women, it's women like you who cause this.
Really?
Really,
Okay.
you women don't respect women. That's why women are where women are.
say what you want.
And
My
men like
daughter
me
will not-
stand up for women, in spite of marrying women like you. But because of my daughter and other women, I am looking after women for women and womankind, and not because of you. Despite you, in spite you. In spite you. I'm Mulund. Yeah. It's beautiful, Aisha. That's lovely. the way
But
you-
what advice would you give?
I would be like, sue your parents, because whatever is wrong, 80% will be genetic. And secondly, I would tell my children that marriage is slightly overrated. Not because we had a bad marriage or whatever. I just feel
We have a bad marriage? I
no,
don't think
it's
so.
an average marriage. I've been through many.
It's
an average marriage.
See what Kaustubh was saying?
Valentine.
I spend more time with you. What live marriage?
That's why it's lovely.
So I'm just saying that marriage as a concept is a little overrated now. So you just think about it. If you're gonna have kids, I think marriage makes sense. Otherwise, it makes no sense. I don't understand this non-kid parents that pretend to be married and all that. It's painful, yeah. Same person, they get on your nerves.
So what
It's
are you
like
going
Big
to do?
Boss. It's like Big Boss for years.
Hopping from parent to, from partner to partner. I mean, you
No,
can't.
partner to partner,
You
it's-
can't survive one person. What are you going to do?
No,
Make
now we have
everybody
delivery
miserable.
for everything. Now we don't need to go through all this. My good
Delivery
friend
for
Balaji
what?
is
You
there.
can't make a phone call. to the
Balaji,
delivery-
Maya, they take care of it. TCB taking care of business. Elvis is manager. All
What is
done.
your?
What did you say? P?
I
Did you use the P word?
have not said anything.
Did you say the P word?
I have not said.
Don't say the P word.
I haven't said.
You don't say the P
anything.
word. Please, his dad, Kashi uncle, is watching. He won't like it.
I am.
No, but seriously, marriage is overrated. Don't overdo it.
We
And
need to get Mikhail a visa. Kaustubh will organize it.
I didn't say Kaustubh will organize it. I said you want to help with the
Kaustubh will
paperwork.
help.
He's faster with the digital age than you are. That's all I'm saying.
And you would know this why?
Because he works with me all the time. He's quick.
I don't want to do things for you.
What are you saying? We're talking about Mikhail here.
Oh, sorry.
That's Mikhail with a double A, yeah? Just for the record, yeah. Yeah. So my last word on the whole thing is marriage is slightly overrated. Don't get married in a hurry. Be very careful. Because you're stuck with the same person, they're stuck with you. It's a at the end of the day, you're just
I
putting
think you've
pressure.
got to work marriage backwards.
Yeah.
Will you and also look at the parents, because that's what you turn into.
Yeah.
You turn into your parents. If you can't stand your mother-in-law, father-in-law, be warned your spouse is going to become one of those things.
Yeah.
So that's kind of
I
an indication.
I love my in-laws. You love your in-laws. Yeah.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Falling over.
Aisha's filled with love.
My mother-in-law is fine. I
Yeah.
can't say this. No, we'll leave it.
Okay. I think you should stop talking now. Because you have to go back to the same
Given that you've done all the talking. Chalo.
Let's end the episode on I love you. Say I love you. And you say I love you.
I don't mind alternate sexuality. And if that's how you are. But
I love you to each other.
Yes, but this
Have
is
you
not.
lost your mind?
Is this a Yash Raj production? I mean, what are you doing here?
Really?
Suraj
Dilwale
Bharjati.
Dulhania
Just
Le
Karan
Jayenge.
Johar is giving you the script. What do you want us to do? Shall I get into my
does that?
sari and go around the khamba for 2 minutes? I don't know what the
What
hell.
is Khamba?
It's a pillar. The normal song depiction, yeah. You know. Illu, 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 illu. Ka matlab,
Okay.
I love
No,
you.
we're not saying stupid
I
things.
love
Come on,
you.
let's go.
I love you. You don't say I love you. Just say I won't hate you completely. I think that's a start.
So
Yeah, that's good enough.
so
for
you
me.
love me?
I said so, no?
Okay, you want to come with me to Tilak Nagar, Chembur?
I love you, but I've got responsibilities, professional
Like what?
responsibilities. Paddy's coming to discuss
Okay, so
cricket.
then I'll take Prakash.
You can take Prakash.
You know who Prakash is? Okay, I'm taking Prakash.
Okay, so nice. The hour went by so quickly.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next year, same time, same channel.
Oh God.
With a
Not if
different
you
wife.
paid me. Not if you paid me. Oh.
Chalo, I buzz off now. All good.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day.